Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlog Norem, and for today's video may pag-uusapan tayong napakagandang phone. Way back a few years ago ang release ni Apple ng iPhone 12 mini. So apakaliit na, napaka-handy sa kamay. So we're going to have a review if it's still worth it sa 2024. Let's find out. So yun nga guys, no, for today's video again, pag-uusapan natin itong iPhone 12 mini. Yeah, iPhone 12 mini na to. That is very very fresh for 2024. So it's I think it's released way back 2021 kasama nung predecessor siya na 12, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the Apple discontinued na ang pag-release ng mga mini versions of 14 and 15 series nila, lalo na sa 16. So it's a great deal that we could still get hold into this mini series na iPhone. And then nakuha ko to via swap. So meron kasi dito sa Facebook Marketplace that we could swap our iPhone phone into someone's phone. It's either mag-a-add ka ng pera or sila yung mag-a-add sa'yo just to have a deal na mag-swap kayo ng devices. And it so happened na ang na-swap ko was my iPhone XR, and I just add a few thousands para makuha ko to for a 64 gigabytes of storage and 74% battery health. So even though 74 battery health is medyo degraded na siya, but at the same time, for its quality, nakakaano pa din naman, it could still perform. It could take decent shots, it could take, or you could play a lot of games with this one, and then yung processor niya is up to date pa din. You could still update this one to the latest iOS version, so walang problema dito. And ano pa ba, the camera or the battery life, well, of course expected na medyo short lang yung hours na pwede mo itong gamitin without charging it again. Yun nga, since it's mini, malitin yung battery capacity niya, and then since it's degraded to 74%, mas madali na siya malawbat. Still naka lightning port pa din kasi yung mga Type-C ports were onto the latest model. So if tatanungin niyo kung worth it ba siya sa 2024, I would say yes. But if you have enough budget to spend more, and best you invest on the higher models such as the 15. If you can't, you don't have enough money to buy the 15 or 16, then you could settle for at least the iPhone 13. But for the iPhone 12 mini, if I could recommend this, kung nagtitipid ka or if you are in a tight budget, then it is a steal deal for you, that it could really perform all the basic tasks that you need, and then all the if you love to play games, the camera, you love to take videos and photos, it could still perform versus all the predecessors that it has.